Hello, my cute humans! Welcome back to another Animal Crossing speed build video. Don't mind me in my cute little Halloween outfit, it's a spooky season. Today I will take care of an empty patch of land on my island. It's been there quite a while now and I was gathering ideas and I decided to make some sort of greenhouse or more like flower shop place. As you can see, I already placed the solar panels there. I prepared it because I was struggling pretty hard with it. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it. It's a shame. I will prepare it and then record the video. Starting off with a little bit of fencing. I thought this fence was fitting because of the color and just to add some more color, to make it really colorful because all the flowers and stuff, they will be colorful. So I thought, why not? Yes, this looks pretty nice. I'm done with the fencing now. And I will start adding some furniture. I wanted to add stalls because like for a shopping area, I thought they were pretty fitting. I put a nice design on them that I found. I'm just struggling to place them right. Struggle to get out of there. It's just a struggle sometimes. For the stalls, I thought placing small flowers would look very nice, so they won't be super empty looking. Just take some time to decide what to put on there and what not. As you can see, we're placing the small flowers and plants. I used the bigger plants to fill up small empty patches on there. And I also want to add some dark dirt path to make it look like there are actually still flowers growing in the area. I'm gonna add all kinds of colors and flowers there because I like it colorful when it comes to the flowers. It looks nice sometimes. Sometimes I do go with a certain pattern, but not for a place like this. I think that looks very nice like this. I will also use those simple panels to create some sort of wall in the same pattern as the stalls are. Just to give it a feeling of there's a shop or something, some sort of greenhouse behind there maybe. And now I will just go ahead and place some decorative items here and there. I'm very indecisive when it comes to things like that, so it always takes a little bit of time to figure out for me where to put what. Even though I made a sketch before, this is actually my second try. Because the first try I completely forgot my sketch and it looked completely different and it was not how I wanted it to look like. And then I remembered the sketch actually and I was like, ooh, let's just follow this. Let's follow the sketch and let's build it the way it looks there. And this is kind of what the sketch actually looked like. And do some changings in the patterns. Luckily this time they're not big changes, so it won't take forever. I will use a little bit more of the fencing just to give this like a nice finished shopping area look. But as always, it takes a while for me to figure out where to put this fence exactly. I just randomly go and put flowers and plants everywhere I can. I always like it a little bit more when some decorations are not completely visible. Like for example the raccoon figurine. I like when it's like a little bit of hidden behind the trees and you don't see it immediately. And I'm done. I'm actually very satisfied with how it turned out. Making the sketch before really helped to have like a concept of where everything would go. Of course, if you do not forget that you actually made a sketch. Yeah, I really like the outcome. I'm happy with it. And finally, this empty plot of land is not empty anymore, but filled with beautiful flowers and plants and a pretty green scenery. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Cute humans! If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and maybe even a comment. If you want to see some of my live streams, go and check out my Twitch page. If you want to stay updated on everything, go and follow me on Twitter. Links are all in the description. Bye bye!